And that news comes as the CDC issued a travel health notice recommending that people avoid cruise ships, no matter their COVID-19 vaccination status. Our Haley Harrison spoke with a local travel agent who believes, though, that it is still safe to take a cruise.
The CDC is currently investigating more than 90 cruise ships as a result of what it deems COVID-19 outbreaks. According to the CDC, cruise lines reported more than 5,000 coronavirus cases on ships operating in U.S. waters between December 15th and 29th, a major increase from the 162 cases reported over the previous 2 weeks.
We always look at every option to keep America safe.
A Jacksonville travel agent who pegs himself as the cruise genius says the new recommendation to avoid cruising is no surprise, but disappointing.
The word outbreaks that the CDC is using is very misleading. It's making it sound much worse than it is. When you look at less than 3% of people on cruise ships are getting COVID, it is a very, very low number. It's lower than on land.
The agency says people are in close quarters on board ships, and the chance of getting COVID-19 on cruise ships is very high, even if you are fully vaccinated and have received a booster shot. Cruise Lines International Association also sent First Coast News a statement which says in part, no setting can be immune from this virus. However, it is also the case that cruise provides one of the highest levels of demonstrated mitigation against the virus. It goes on to say cruise ships offer a highly controlled environment with science-backed measures, known testing, and vaccination levels far above other venues or modes of transportation and travel, and significantly lower incidence rates than land. Scott Lara is confident that cruising in Jacksonville will resume before spring break as scheduled.
Right. The Carnival Ecstasy is our cruise ship out of Jacksonville. It will be resuming in March. The cruise lines and the CDC are working closely together to make sure cruising remains safe.
His number one tip for cruisers is to book travel insurance for peace of mind. I'm Haley Harrison, First Coast News. On your side.
Thanks, Haley. And if you do travel on a cruise ship, the CDC is recommending that you wear a mask while you're on board and you get tested 3 to 5 days after your trip. If you do have a trip booked anytime from now through January 14th, Carnival Cruise Line says it has already reached out to you with options if you don't want to sail right now.